It doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall.
It doesn't matter if you're big or small.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all.
You got it, big.
Why, thank you, small. Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, swinging on a star. It makes no difference what size you are.
Nice.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all. 'Cause here we are, we're big and small.
Yeah! All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That sounds flower potty. Ooh. Wow. That sounds feathery. Ooh. That sounds cowy. Don't you just love how stuff sounds when you whack it?
Hey, Small, come here. I want to show you something.
Oh, not now, Big. I'm incredibly busy.
Yeah, but Small, I finished my new invention and I want to do it. Ta-da!
This is the third ta-da today. Okay, Big, I'm coming. Okay.
Ta-da!
Wow! Nice! What is it?
It's a mess hider.
A what?
A mess hider to hide all your mess.
What mess?
Well, let me show you. This is, this is a funny book.
Yeah, it is.
I'm going to put this on the ha-ha-ha shelf.
The ha-ha what shelf?
It's a good name. Okay, what else? These are small. Ugh. Okay, we're going to put all these socks in. Do not ever smell again, drawer.
They're an experiment. They've been dirty for 63.5 days.
Is this a used plaster?
Yes.
Okay.
Big, I need that.
Never mind all that.
You've got to stop all, okay?
Putting all this stuff away. Right.
This is my mess,
This
and I
boot,
need it.
and
I love
take
that
this.
piece. Okay,
Right,
Big.
and get
You've
this
got to put it
here.
down.
Right,
It's not fair.
sponges,
Just
ukulele,
experiment.
taking
But
this,
ukulele's
all
not-
this. Okay, all this stuff goes in the odds and ends drawer. Okay, right, next. And, small?
Big.
Huh? Oops. I'm sorry, Small.
Big, you are messing up my mess, and I am angry at you. Yes, I'm very, very angry at you.
Sorry. Oh, well.
I mean, I'm right. My stuff wasn't messy. Everything was exactly where it was supposed to be. The biggest messy mess in here is Big's mess hider right there. See that? Yeah, that's what's messy. Hey, who turned out the lights? I can't really see anything. Please don't be a skinny monster. Please don't be a tall, skinny monster with a scary neck and a dangly chain thingy. Wow! Look at all of this. Whoa! That's wild. Wow! Ooh! Ooh! That looks like a bed. Ooh. Nice water bed. Wow! I could get used to a place like this. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! That's gonna make a great fort. A fort all for me!
Hey, Small, it's time for bed. You're not still angry, are ya? Hey, Small, you're gonna miss that thing where I say, "Good night, Small," and you say, Hello, Big. And then we yawn and fall asleep. You don't miss that, do you? What was that? Is my wall talking? Okay. My wall is talking. In fact, it's arguing.
You drive a car into my room, mess up my stuff, and say you made it better?
Yeah, I made you a fort.
That's a fort?
Yeah, and over here, that's the climbing wall.
Oh, no, it isn't. That's a great big mess.
Hi, excuse me,
Oh, now what?
Hey, Big, can you believe it? I just made this incredible fort, okay?
my house,
And
he's
now
messing
she's
it up.
yelling
The whole
at
thing
me.
Whoa. Hold on. Could somebody please tell me what's going on here?
Come on, Big, come on. This way. Okay, you know what? I was making this nice, beautiful fort, okay? When all of a sudden, I was making you a fort.
I don't want a fort.
Whoa, wait, please, one at a time. Mouse first.
Thank you. Don't move.
Don't move.
Give me one good reason you should stay in my house. You made a mistake when you messed with this mouse. Give me one good reason. Give me one good reason. One good reason. Give it to me. I want an answer. Don't make me guess. 'Cause there's no way I'm going to say yes to this mess. Give me one good reason. Give me one good reason. One good reason. Give it to me. Oh, you messed up my home. Now I'm angry and so. This mouse wants you gone now, so you gotta go. Give me one good reason. Give me one good reason. One good reason. Give it to me. One good reason. Give it to me. One good reason.
That was nice.
Yeah, wow.
Thank you.
But wait a minute. I did not make a mess, okay? Tell her, Big.
Well, oh, small.
It was a fort, okay? I mean, with cushions and blankets and all of your other stuff. Okay, I made a mess. Sorry. Whatever your name is.
It's Ruby.
Oh, Ruby. Well, pleased to meet you, Ruby. I'm Big.
Nice to meet you.
And this is Small.
Hey, are you the ones who are always stomping around all day while I'm trying to sleep?
Yeah, that's us. And are you the one who always takes all our cheese?
Oh, yes, that's me. Hey, are you the ones who are always leaving little snacks under the bed?
Yeah, we do.
Well, I'm the one who doesn't have anywhere where I can do what I want. I mean, Ruby has a room, and Big has a whole house, and I don't have anything.
Whoa. Small. I've got an idea. Wait, what if we make a space that's all yours? You know, a place where you can make a mess, but it's the only place you can make a mess. Deal?
Deal.
Hey, and I'll come and visit.
Yeah, but you have to know the secret password. The secret password is mess.
Okay, are you ready, Small? And ta-da!
Whoa! Is that for me?
Yeah, I borrowed some of your rubber bands from your collection. I hope you don't mind.
Mind? I love it! You know, Big, when I see all my stuff together like this, I can see why some people might think that I'm messy. Maybe I should just get rid of some of this stuff. I mean, not all of it. Like this, right here, like this. Like this duck puppet. I certainly don't need this. I don't need that.
Small.
And I also don't need this bendy golf club anymore. It's too bendy. That's got to go too.
You might want to be careful.
Hey, Big. Could I use some of your space for cleaning up, if you don't mind?
No, but I think I'm going to need a bigger mess hider.
Okay, good. Because I certainly don't need that cow. Because I'm kind of a horse guy now. And I certainly don't need stinky cheese.